Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove the driver's side wiper arm, you can leave the hood down, use a small flat-bladed screwdriver, and gently pry up in this plastic cap. Find the edge, pull it off. There's a 14 millimeter nut under here. You can use a 14 millimeter socket, extension, and ratchet. Loosen this up. That off. We can lift up on the arm. And now I'll wiggle it back and forth. And it should come right off of the wiper arm shaft. Open the hood, we'll go inside, pull the release. Find the safety latch, release that. Prop rod is under the hood. It's got two positions, one position here and then a service position here. It opens further. Passenger side wiper arm has two mounting nuts. They're 14 millimeter. I'm gonna use the 14 millimeter socket and ratchet again. Loosen that one up. Loosen this one up. You might need to hold the wiper arm. Thread it off, pop right off. Just the spring action of the wiper arm. Lift off the windshield and put it aside. With the passenger side wiper arm in place, there was a little dust line here where the wiper blade was, so I'll use that as a reference point. Right about there. There's some spring tension to this that's pushing it back up, but I'll install the nuts. I'll just tighten these down until they get tight. I don't want to break off the studs off the wiper transmission. Reinstall the driver's side wiper, arm and blade. You could do this with the hood down, or the hood up, it's all right. Just get it in place. Reinstall the nut, tighten it up. If I feel it get tight, I'll stop. I don't want to break the stud off. And reinstall the cap. Just pushes into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.